Take a ride in the 2021 Encore. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.